Hey everyone, if you're in Dubai and you're trying to use Discord, but voice chat doesn't work or calls won't connect, you're not alone. Discord is partially blocked in Dubai. You can open the app and use text, but voice chat, video calls, and screen sharing are restricted by UAE telecom regulations. But the good news is, there's a simple fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Discord in Dubai step by step, using a method that works. Use the link in the description to get NordVPN, the VPN I personally recommend and use. It's one of the few that actually works in the UAE. Let's quickly explain what's going on. In the UAE, including Dubai, the government blocks all major VoIP, voice over IP services. That means apps like Discord voice and video, Skype, WhatsApp voice calls, Zoom calls. These features are restricted to protect local telecom companies. So unless you use a workaround, Discord won't function fully while you're in Dubai. The best way to fix this is by using a VPN, a virtual private network. Here's what a VPN does. It changes your IP address so it looks like you're in a different country. It encrypts your internet traffic so your provider can't block Discord features. It lets you bypass UAE restrictions and unlock voice chat, calls, and screen sharing. But here's the thing. Not all VPNs work in Dubai. Free VPNs often don't connect, get blocked, or leak your data. That's why I recommend NordVPN. It has obfuscated servers to get past UAE firewalls, fast speeds for lag-free calls, a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it with zero risk. Here's exactly how to do it. Step 1. Click the NordVPN link in the description and sign up. Step 2. Pick your plan and create your account. Step 3. Download and install the NordVPN app. Step 4. Go to Settings, Auto Connect, enable obfuscated servers. Step 5. Connect to a server outside the UAE, like the US, UK, Singapore, or Germany. Step 6. Now open Discord, voice, video, and everything else should now work. If it still doesn't connect, here are a few quick fixes. Try a different VPN server location, switch VPN protocol to OpenVPN, TCP, or NordLynx in settings. Restart Discord and clear cache. Make sure your internet connection is stable, Wi-Fi, or mobile. These usually solve the issue right away. And that's how you use Discord in Dubai. Even though voice and video are blocked by default, all you need is a VPN like NordVPN with obfuscated servers. Use the link in the description to unlock a discount and get started with their 30-day money-back guarantee. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I respond to everyone. Like this video if it helped, and make sure to subscribe for more Discord tutorials that work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.